Grok just dropped huge update on the image and video generation. Now it can generate multiple image options for a single prompt and can also generate video from the image. I am in Grok. We need to go to Imagine in Grok. Let's paste a prompt to create a lady. Now it creates multiple variations for the image to choose from. This is fantastic update. Not only that, we can make video out of this image. I liked this image. Let's make video. The video is ready, though the quality is not very good, but it is on the way. Let's try generating some more. More than video, I like the way it provided multiple images options. That's great. Let's explore and share your views.